Hi and welcome to the shop. I'm Jessica. Today we are going to talk about cleaning copper and metal for enameling. The first and simplest method you can use for cleaning off your copper is just a bit of fine-grained sandpaper by rubbing it gently across the surface. And alternatively, you can also use steel wool. This will remove any dirt that's on the surface of your metal or copper. And you can also use these two methods on pieces that have been enameled on one side and you need to get the other side cleaned off. This will only remove loose scale though. This won't remove heavy scale with these two methods. The sandpaper will do so with a lot of rubbing. Let me show that to you. See, it's starting to remove the heavier scale. But there are quicker and easier methods of doing that, so let me show you another one. This next method of cleaning uses some Scotch-Brite cleaning pad. Very rough feel to it. Does an excellent job. And using this in combination with some citric acid, this is anhydrous, granular form that I bought online on eBay, I believe. And so I've just added some water with it here. And it's kind of like almost similar to a salty water consistency. And this takes a couple of minutes to work real well, but you can make even a thick paste of this with just a little bit of water. And this will do an excellent job of cleaning the copper. Again, it takes a few minutes and it takes a little bit of going around and around, but as you can see there, it's already starting to work real well. So a similar product is called Penny Bright, and you can use that as well to get your copper good and clean prior to the next enameling stage. But I have one other way to show, so stick around and we will get to that one. This is my third method for cleaning copper. You can use this actually on a couple of different metals. This is sparex number 2. It says it's for use in non-ferrous and precious metals such as silver, copper, brass, etc. This does a super job. I have a small crock pot here that I have designated for this only, and it's plugged in. It just runs on low, and when it's warmer it works even faster. It takes about 10 minutes after dropping a piece of enameled or just dirty metal in there, and it comes out super clean. If anything, you might have to still just brush off if there's a little layer of something there. You just brush it off with Scotch-Brite and it comes right off. So this is highly recommended as well, although you have to be cautious. Some colors of enamel, it will eat at them a little bit and give it kind of a bumpy texture on your enamel, so you have to watch for that. Thank you for checking out my video on cleaning metal. I will have more information on this in the ebook I am currently writing. You will find those ebook links down in the description as soon as I have it completed. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out my content if you want to learn more about enameling. Have a great day.